Chillipop!
Hello kids! Today we are going to learn something very important, vowels and consonants. In English, we have 26 letters. These letters are divided into two groups, vowels, consonants. Every word in English is made by mixing vowels and consonants together. For example, in the word cat, C and T are consonants and A is a vowel. Without vowels, we could not pronounce words properly. So vowels and consonants are both very important for reading and speaking. Vowels and consonants. Before starting, please subscribe our channel Chillipop for more quizzes. Which of these is a vowel? B, A, T. A. Which word has two vowels? Pen, book, cup. Book. Find the vowel in this word. Dog, O, D, G. O. Which word starts with a vowel? Ball, apple, car. Apple. How many vowels in the word ice? 1, 3, 2. Two. Which word starts with a vowel? Umbrella, bag, fan. Umbrella. Find the consonant in sun. U, S, A. S. How many vowels are there in English? 3, 5, 7. 5. Find the vowel in cat. C, A, T. A. Find the vowel in fish. F, I, S. I.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.